Today we'll be discussing about a very interesting topic: hydrocarbons. What are hydrocarbons? The compounds which contain only carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. All their families can be thought of as derived from hydrocarbons by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms by suitable functional groups. Hydrocarbons from which one hydrogen atom has been removed are functional groups, called hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkenes, cycloalkanes, and alkyne-based compounds are different types of hydrocarbons. That is a ball and stick model of methane molecule. Methane is part of the homologous series known as alkanes, which contains single bonds only. Let us talk about the origin of hydrocarbons. The majority of hydrocarbons found on Earth naturally occur in crude oil, where decomposed organic matter provides an abundance of carbon and hydrogen which, when bonded, concatenate to form seemingly limitless chains. Let's take a look at the classification of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are classified into 1. Saturated hydrocarbons or alkanes. 2. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, further classified as alkenes and alkynes. 3. Aromatic hydrocarbons. What are saturated hydrocarbons? The hydrocarbons which contain only carbon-carbon single bonds are called saturated hydrocarbons. These include open-chain hydrocarbons as well as closed-chain hydrocarbons. If different carbon atoms are joined together to form an open chain of carbon atoms with single bonds, they are called alkanes. Example: ethane, propane. The compounds are called saturated because they have maximum number of bonded hydrogen. What are unsaturated hydrocarbons? The hydrocarbons which contain carbon-carbon multiple bonds, double bonds or triple bonds or both are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Depending upon the multiple bonds, double bond or triple bonds or both, they are further classified into alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes, these are hydrocarbons which contain at least one carbon-carbon double bond. For example, ethene. Alkynes, these are hydrocarbons which contain at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. For example, ethene. What are aromatic hydrocarbons? These are hydrocarbons which contain at least one special type of hexagonal ring of carbon atoms with 3 double bonds in the alternate positions. The ring is called aromatic ring or benzene ring. For example, benzene, toluene, ethylbenzene, etc. The aromatic compounds may also contain more than one benzene rings. For example, naphthalene, anthracene, etc.